Hello everyone, welcome to Full of Jeevan. In this video, we will make ceramic painting. Before starting, subscribe to Full of Jeevan and press the bell icon to never miss a notification. I am taking a broken ceramic mug. The handle of this is broken. We'll need Mseal and Fevicol. When we open the packet of Mseal, we'll see two packets. We are going to take the content out and mix both of them together. Once we give a nice mix, then our dough is ready. Form thin shaped stem using Mseal dough and stick to the mug using Fevicol. Make small balls with the remaining dough. Stick the small balls on the stem and all over the ceramic mug. These balls will form the grapes. Allow to dry. Take thick paint brush and using white fabric paint, paint the complete grape structure that we created using Mseal. Allow the white paint to dry. Now let's take green color fabric paint and paint the grapes. Apply 2 to 3 coats to give nice color. Once green color is dried, we will be taking 3D outliner and creating stem in between the grapes. If you enjoy watching this video, then give like. I'm going to take 3D outliner in orange color and apply dots all over the ceramic mug to complete the ceramic painting. Here is the final ceramic mug painting. I have stored kitchen items in this. Let's take closer look at the painting. The broken handle is gone and a beautiful structure is created. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to Full of Jeevan for more such videos.